Today, we're popping Kareem's bartending cherry. Kareem, what are we doing?
Today, we're doing my take on a cola old fashioned. Let's do this.
It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
Let's get started on Kareem's Cola Old Fashioned. Right now,
It's all me right now? Okay. So,
first thing you're going to do.
you can leave it on. Leave it on. Because, you know, it'd be like, you're instructing me.
All right.
I'm a newbie. I'm a newbie.
All right, Kareem, first thing you're going to get is you're going to get the glass mixing cup.
Okay, we're getting a glass mixing cup.
We already have the spoon ready for you, so I
Wow.
have it right in front of you.
Okay.
Okay. You're going to get your agave.
Gotta love it.
And you're going to do about half a bar spoon of agave syrup.
All right. Probably a little more than that, but we're going to live.
Okay. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to get some bitters. Old fashions always have to have bitters. So we got some orange bitters today.
All right.
How many shots does a normal old fashioned usually take?
About 2.
2. How many do you want to put?
You know, I tend to like the bitters, so I'm going to freestyle it. We're going to do like 3 or 4. 3 or 4? Bow. I don't even know if it bowed.
Okay. Now, let's get the bar spoon out of there because we got to put some extra ingredients in.
Okay.
There's no crying. I think we're good.
Yeah. All right.
So,
next,
we're going to take our bourbon of choice.
our bourbon of choice is Old Granddad.
Let's do 2 ounces of that, did we say?
Yes, I think that's what we said. 1, 2.
Now, because we're giving a little Remy jazz, we're going to do about an ounce or 3/4 of an ounce of what kind of whiskey is that?
8 p.m.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do about 3/4 of an ounce of that.
Hachiji.
What?
Hachiji.
Hachiji. Kareem's using his Duolingo skills. He's freestyle pouring right now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is dangerous, but it's going to be delicious.
I like to live dangerously. Okay, next. Okay,
now we're doing 2 ounces of the cola or whatever is left inside that bottle.
Okay. That looks a little less than 2 ounces. This is a fancy cola.
Okay. You're going to add some ice to the mixing glass. And you give it a stir. Now, don't forget to get the strainer.
We don't want any ice in our shot. And there you have it. Remy's Cola Old Fashioned. Right.
Now, old fashions are typically sipping drinks,
Yes.
but because we made shots, we're gonna have to shoot these back.
Well, let's do this.
Let's do this. Let's see Remy's Cola Old Fashioned.
Cheers.
Woo! That's awesome.
Yes.
That's a good kick.
Smooth as a baby's bottom.
and very flavorful.
Yes.
I like it. I like it. Make sure you subscribe so you can see all future videos. We're going to be doing shots, alcohol reviews, how-to videos, how to make your favorite cocktails.
As a budding bartender, you'll be learning how to get into the world of bartending and learn how to make your own cocktails.
Make sure you comment. Let us know if you tried Remy's Cola Old Fashioned.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. We're on our road to 20.
20 subscribers. Help us get to 20, and then from there, we're going to 25. And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
There's no crying. I think we're good.
Yeah.
One. Now,
Right.
what?
All right.